Hey everybody, it's Sharon. Today I'm just going to show you a really quick, just impromptu project. I really didn't even plan on doing it, but I need a small lamp for in the cabin, and I wanted to do something with sassafras. We have a whole bunch in our property, so it's readily available. I've used it in many different projects, from really small ones to really big ones, and just love it. So the first thing I did was find the sassafras, and I peel off the outer edges. And then once I get that log where I need it, I sliced off, I think it was 1.5 inch slices, and I just grabbed one of the branches that was out there. Cut that to about 20 inches tall because I had a lamp pole already that I was going to reuse. And it got them all sliced up, got them all lined up, and I thought, all right, what am I going to do with this now? So I drilled holes. A drill press would have been perfect, but I didn't have one. So I drilled holes offset and ended up with about 28 slices to get that height. First thing I did was I covered them in Mod Podge, and that's because the bark, I didn't want that to come off. I already had a down rod for an old light and a socket and cord, so I already had that. On the base, I just used a little bit larger slice of a different log, and then just screwed that base on the top and bottom to hold that cord in, and then made a little channel for the cord. So once I had them all up there, now was the fun part. You could make pretty much any shape you want, and that was kind of the confusing part, because it was like, I kind of like one shape, but I don't like the other shape, and I don't know. I tried a whole bunch of different ones. Offset, kind of a curved like one, a little bit more of a stairs, that was just a random every other one. And then this one, I actually do like that pattern. I might go back and make another one. But I ended up taking the hot glue gun and just putting a little piece of glue right between all of the slices and started stacking them. So I think it turned out okay. I don't know, I might make it a little bit different next time, but it should be perfect. I just needed a really small entry lamp to go on that entry table, and that'll be a nice welcome for the cabin guests. Thanks for watching.